So I'm going to give a breakdown of my yesterday trades, even an update of the Thursday trades. So starting with Thursday, I use TradingView as always for my analysis and my trades. So Thursday, price came in here out of my no trading zone. So I had this area and I had this area, but since this area was so huge, I couldn't just enter on top. What I did, I waited for lower time frame confirmation. As you see, my markings are still on. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We block the structure. So went for my lower time frame confirmations. Got a 1 minute entry. Then I had to just sit and wait. So about that. So my initial target is already 3%. Or the next Asia candle fuel. So what happens on 3%? I close 75% of my trades, and then I wait for the next. Let's see what plays. Bang, 3% hit. Yeah, that's what I mean. 3% was already hit. So which means if you waited for it, for price to fill on here without taking any trade, you out. But if you close 70% of on 3%, 75%, then 25% left running out, and you're back to break even. It means there was no loss, just to go 2.45% almost. Yeah, 2.5%. So it's always get a consistent percentage that you always take. That's what I always advise everyone. So that was about. So yesterday, remember we had a break of structure, but this was a counter trade or reversal trade. So what happened? Another break of structure now happened here. Another break of structure happened here. So all I was waiting was price to come down here and I get an entry. I didn't. So yesterday I didn't have an entry on gold. Today another pair is my US30 pair. So what happened on this pair? So amazing. So amazing. So this pair, I expected an entry from this week, since it was also a time-based theory entry. Time theory based entry means like there's a certain criteria of time I wait for to have an entry. So this was the session which was the ultimate last low, and when I dropped down to my deeper time frame, I feel like within this deep session low, I will have also a certain OB. So what was my take? My take was like, we blocked this structure, we tested. So my intention was to break this structure as my TP. So that's why you see my TP is above this. So after getting that 1 minute BOS, I had to make sure even this week is comfortably covered. Since from here to here is like a trading zone and entry trading zone. So my intention was my TP was to break this structure, and that's it all. That's it all. Forget about the previous ones. Yeah. So it is 5%. Though, so here, since I had an intention like this structure must be broken, I decided to hold this trade up to yesterday. So yesterday, you see price only lagging almost 3% up, back out. I wasn't at a break even since I had one mission of waiting for this stop. Back almost getting you out. If I had used a type loss, I would have missed on all this 3% almost, on all these first 3%. So I didn't use break even. If I have a long vision, I don't use break even, since I haven't caused any profit. Back almost took me out. Then it started moving slowly, less volatile until yesterday. So I almost maybe thought when it reached here and reversed, I thought like maybe it's trying to take me out, but I waited patiently. After all, boom, it banged in. Then another entry was this. This I was aiming at breaking this structure. Yeah. Break over here. That was my intention, 3% target taken. So you see my entry was here. consistent with my stop loss. That's it. And another good entry was this, almost similar to this. Almost similar to this. So here, I had to make sure this low is covered. This low is covered. So after getting it covered, yeah, my take was also breaking this structure. Yeah, we sweep up. Where market goes, I don't care. That's why you see, after sweeping, almost throughout the sweeping, our 3%, that's market tried to retrace. So that's it. So US30 was my best pair last week, giving me almost 9%. Yeah, boom, that's the best. Yeah, 9% in 4 trading days, because on Friday, on this day I didn't trade, and even this day I didn't trade. So which means Monday I had 3 trading days, all winners, 100% winning rate. So that's about it. I always update you. So it's a matter of understanding your time zones, your no trading zone, your price theory, your time theory, and your range theory. So if I talk about the range theory, it means like where is price ranging and where is price ranging from, where is price ranging to. Understanding structure. Yeah, structure is like this. Black highs, black lows, black highs, black lows, black lows, black highs, black highs, black lows. That's structure, but you have also to be ultimately maybe like using a 4-hour time frame or a day time. Especially I use the daily, but this gets from the 4 hours. So on the 4 time frame, you have to be knowing if price came this OB, why is it ranging to? If price came this OB, why is it ranging back? So that's what I always analyze from a big perspective. That's why you see my time frames daily, 4 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes is missed out. Yeah, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So that's what you see. Like you have to know. After time theory, you also have to understand the ranging theory, where price is ranging from, where is price ranging to. So that's all about for today. We meet as a weekly breakdown. What to expect for the new week, what I'm up for the next week.